Hey brother, I'm Stuart Matola, men's relationship coach. Hope you're having a great day. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you about one sign that your marriage can't be fixed. And I'm out here working in the woods and doing work. And I'm going to talk to you about what work means. And that was just a little brush pile I was creating. So just by the fact that you're asking yourself that question, obviously, you want to fix your marriage. You want to make things better. You want to improve things. And chances are, if you're watching this video, you want to be a better relational partner. You want to be a better man for your woman. Maybe it's in the past, some of your errors or screw-ups have been, not holding your temper, not managing your emotions, withdrawing, avoiding. And you're at a point where you're starting to get a sense of, yeah, I need to become a better partner to her, or else this thing ain't going to work. And I talk to a lot of guys in this situation where they really want to take responsibility. They really want to step up their game. They really want to be a better man for their wife or partner. And they'll ask me, is this fixable? And he's so hungry to make things better that he forgets one key point. You cannot fix your marriage if she's not open to repair. Okay. So that's the top level. She's got to be open to repair. Instead of wanting to drag you through resentments, antagonisms, embitterments that have just built up for her for years and years and years because you were out working, you were checked out, you weren't available, or, you betrayed her trust with your temper or whatever that was. And it's easy to think that, oh, now it's my time to be the martyr and I should take that. Well, I'm going to work on myself in the meantime. And I'm just going to hang out and hope that this marriage will get better as I work on myself. Now, I want to say straight up, you're in the top 15 to 20% of men, because typically it's the other way around, where men won't go into counseling or go into any kind of attempt to repair their marriage with a third person, counselor or coach. But the guys who watch my videos are in that 15 to 20% of guys who are willing to take self-responsibility. But the thing is, they take such a depth of self-responsibility that they forget that, oh yeah, she needs to work on herself too. And I work with a lot of men whose wives won't go to therapy, whose wives won't work on themselves, who won't look at how they can let go of their resentments and start to be open to repair. So if she's not open to doing work on the relationship, that's a clear sign that your marriage will likely fail, okay? Does that mean that you'll end up in divorce? No. Some guys decide to just hang in there, do their best, get what they can from her, maybe occasional loving interactions, and they want to keep their family together. Is that a successful marriage? No, but it's not a divorce. But I consider that, in my book, a failed marriage. Dragging their feet through the muck, getting through day by day. And a lot of my work with men is to help them really go deep within themselves and ask themselves, am I willing to tolerate this for the next 5 to 10 years? Am I willing to do this? And most of the time, after a little bit of work, they realize they're not. Okay. And they realize that they're in a dead-end alley in their marriage if she's not open to repair, if she's not open to doing some work on herself or work with him. So that's a clear sign that your marriage can't be fixed. You doing work on yourself is not enough. So the next question is, what do you do about that? Well, I'm very reluctant to push a man into this next step. He's got to come to it to himself, and I will open the doors to help him see this. But typically, and he's got to be ready, head, heart, gut, balls, in himself, because it's his big deal to make this next step. He's got to use what's called leverage. And that's clearly saying, hey, our marriage is not currently working the way it is. You know that, I know that. I'm working hard on myself, and I don't see a path forward without you starting to do some work on yourself. And that's the first step. And that's gentle language there, brother, because this is a gentle situation. It's not just, hey, I want a divorce, I'm out. No. I don't see a path forward. So I hope this was helpful, brother. If it was, check out links to my work below. Thanks so much for checking this out and have a kick-ass day. Bye.